Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import a project into Asana using Excel or Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating data from spreadsheets or bringing in tasks that were organized outside of Asana, saving you hours of manual data entry. First, open your existing project in Asana by clicking on its name in the sidebar. This is the project where you want your imported tasks to live, so make sure you've selected the right one before proceeding. Next, click the Project Header drop-down menu, which you'll find right next to the project's name at the top of your screen. This menu contains various project management options, and we'll use it to access the Import feature from the drop-down options. Hover over Import. This will reveal a submenu with different import methods available to you. For our purposes, select any file from that submenu. This option gives you the flexibility to import from Excel, Google Sheets, or other file formats. Now click Select any file to import. You can choose your Excel file, Google Sheets export, or any other compatible file format. Here's where Asana's AI comes into play. It will analyze your file and help identify how the tasks should be organized within your project. This process might take a little while depending on the size of your file, so be patient as the system works through your data. Once the AI has processed your file, you'll see a field mapping screen. This is a critical step, so take a moment to review how your spreadsheet columns match up with Asana's task fields. Make sure things like task names, assignees, due dates, and descriptions are mapping to the correct fields. If something looks off, you can adjust the mappings before proceeding. When everything looks good and your fields are properly aligned, click Add Tasks to begin the import process. This confirms your mapping choices and starts bringing your tasks into Asana. Wait for the tasks to load into your project. It's important to note that imported tasks will be added alongside your existing ones. They won't replace anything that's already there. This means you can safely import new data without worrying about losing current work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.